Hello, Health Warriors. Welcome to today's video, recorded live on Wednesday in a world brimming with stress, pollution, and endless challenges. Your immune system is your ultimate superpower, yet it's often neglected until you're down with a cold or worse. In this ultimate game-changing and deeply inspiring guide, the ultimate guide to boosting your immune system, naturally in 2025, we'll uncover the hidden secrets to strengthening your body's defenses naturally, perfectly tailored for the modern, fast-paced lifestyle of 2025. From cutting-edge, science-backed strategies to practical daily habits, we'll explore how to fend off colds, boost your energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and thrive through the year ahead. Whether you're a busy student juggling exams and part-time jobs, a working professional navigating hybrid schedules, or someone balancing family life with personal goals, this video is your personalized roadmap to a healthier, more resilient you. So grab a comfy seat, a glass of water, maybe a healthy snack like an apple, and let's dive into this empowering journey to supercharge your immunity and embrace a vibrant life. Why your immune system needs a boost in 2025. Your immune system is your body's shield, tirelessly battling viruses, bacteria, and even the stress that creeps into your daily life. But in 2025, it's facing unprecedented pressure. Rising pollution levels, up 15% in urban areas according to the 2025 Global Environmental Report, weaken respiratory defenses, making city dwellers more vulnerable to seasonal bugs. Add to that the lingering post-pandemic fatigue, where 30% of adults report persistent exhaustion per a 2024 Health Trends study, and the rise of hybrid work blurring the lines between office and home, creating a relentless cycle of burnout. A 2023 Immune Health Journal study revealed that 40% of people under 35 experience at least 3 colds annually due to weakened immunity from poor diet, irregular sleep, and constant screen time. For a generation obsessed with fitness trackers to monitor steps, social media glow-ups with perfect selfies, and career climbs toward promotions, a faltering immune system can derail your ambitions, leaving you sidelined with flu, chronic fatigue, or even worse, health setbacks. This isn't just about avoiding sickness, it's about unlocking vibrant energy, mental sharpness, and the resilience to conquer 2025's challenges with confidence and strength. The science behind a strong immune system. Let's break down the fascinating mechanics of your immune system and why it desperately needs your support. Your body's defense network is a complex symphony of white blood cells, antibodies, and organs like the spleen, thymus, and lymph nodes, all working in harmony to detect, attack, and destroy invaders. A 2022 Nature Immunology study showed that a balanced immune response hinges on proper nutrition, quality sleep, and effective stress management. When these falter, inflammation spikes, linked to 25% higher infection rates in sleep-deprived individuals per a 2021 sleep medicine review. Key nutrients play starring roles. Vitamin C boosts white blood cell production by 20%, while vitamin D deficiency, affecting 40% of young adults per a 2023 Nutritional Health Report, increases susceptibility to respiratory infections by 35%. Stress hormones like cortisol suppress immunity with a 2020 Stress and Health study, noting a 15% drop in immune efficiency during chronic stress from deadlines or social pressures. For anyone chasing dreams, maintaining an active lifestyle, or building a future, understanding this science is the first critical step to fortifying your defenses and living a fuller life. Natural boosters for your immune system. Ready to arm your immune system like a warrior? Here are 5 powerful natural strategies to elevate your health, backed by science and customized for 2025's dynamic lifestyle. These aren't quick fixes. They're lifelong tools to thrive. 1. Supercharge with nutrient-rich foods. Your diet is the foundation of your immune fortress. Load up on vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, bell peppers, and strawberries. Aim for 75 to 90 milligrams daily, as recommended by the 2025 dietary guidelines. To enhance white blood cell activity, add zinc from pumpkin seeds, lentils, and oysters, 8 to 11 milligrams daily, to support cell repair and wound healing. And don't skip probiotics from yogurt, kefir, or fermented foods like kimchi to balance gut health, where 70% of your immune system resides, according to a 2022 Gut Microbiome Journal. Try a morning smoothie with spinach, blueberries, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a splash of almond milk for a delicious, nutrient-packed start. Avoid processed sugars and fast food, which can increase inflammation by 30% per a 2019 nutrition review, and opt for whole, colorful foods to keep your defenses strong. 2. Prioritize sleep for recovery. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your immune system's recharge station. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly, as a 2021 sleep health study linked 6 hours or less to a 50% higher infection risk due to reduced cytokine production, proteins that fight infection. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and strengthens memory, essential for students or professionals. Create a routine. Dim lights an hour before bed, swap screens for a physical book or journal, and keep your room cool, 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, with breathable cotton sheets. A 2023 sleep optimization report found that consistent sleepers reported 40% fewer sick days, perfect for staying on top of your game, whether it's acing a presentation or hitting the gym. 3. Move your body. Daily exercise isn't just for sculpting abs. It's a powerhouse for immunity. A 2020 exercise immunology review showed 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, cycling, or yoga, 5 times a week boosts immune cell circulation by 25%, enhancing your body's ability to fight off pathogens. Overdoing it with intense workouts can stress your system, though. Keep intensity moderate and pair with rest days. Try a lunchtime walk with friends, a quick home workout with squats, lunges and stretches, or a dance session to upbeat 2025 hits. For gym enthusiasts, alternate strength training with yoga to optimize recovery and immune response, ensuring you're strong inside and out. 4. Manage stress with mindfulness. Chronic stress is an immune assassin, silently eroding your defenses. A 2022 Mindfulness Journal study found 20 minutes of daily meditation reduces cortisol by 15%, enhancing immune function and mental peace. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8, or use a guided app like Headspace during a break. For those with packed schedules, a 5-minute pause to focus on your breath or stretch can reset your mind and body. Stress also disrupts sleep and eating habits. Tackling it holistically with mindfulness amplifies your immune gains and helps you handle life's pressures with grace. 5. Embrace nature and fresh air. Living indoors weakens your immune resilience. A 2023 environmental health study linked 15 minutes of daily sunlight to a 20% increase in vitamin D levels, crucial for immune regulation and mood enhancement. Open windows to let in fresh air, reducing indoor pollutants by 30% per a 2021 air quality report, and step outside for a park stroll, garden time, or even a barefoot walk on grass. Nature lowers stress, boosts white blood cell activity, and offers a free, accessible immune boost. Perfect for urban dwellers or anyone needing a break from screens. Add a houseplant like aloe vera for extra air purification and a touch of green therapy. Start with one habit, build consistency over weeks, and watch your resilience soar as you adapt these to your unique rhythm. Practical daily plan to strengthen immunity. Turn these strategies into action with a daily plan tailored for 2025's busy, multifaceted lives. Morning, 7 a.m. Wake with 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight exposure to reset your circadian rhythm. Drink a glass of lemon water to hydrate, and eat a breakfast with oats, berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a nutrient-packed start. Midday, 12 p.m. Take a 20 to 30-minute walk or stretch break outdoors, avoiding sugary snacks. Opt for an apple, carrot sticks, or a handful of almonds to sustain energy. Afternoon, 3 p.m. Sip herbal tea, e.g. ginger for warmth or echinacea for immunity, and practice 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing or a quick meditation to reset amidst a busy day. Evening, 9 p.m. Wind down with a light dinner, e.g. grilled salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Dim lights to signal rest, and engage in a calming activity like reading or gentle stretching. Night, 10:30 p.m. Sleep in a cool, dark room with a consistent 7 to 9 hour goal, using a sleep mask or earplugs if needed, and spend 5 to 10 minutes reflecting with gratitude journaling or a mental recap. Adjust based on your schedule, add a weekend hike with friends, a cooking session with immune-boosting recipes, or a morning yoga flow to keep it fresh and personalized. Immune-boosting recipes for 2025. Elevate your diet with these easy, tasty, and immune-focused recipes. Immune Warrior Smoothie. Blend 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, and almond milk. Rich in vitamins C and E, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Perfect for a quick breakfast. Turmeric Golden Milk. Heat 1 cup almond milk with 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and honey to taste. Anti-inflammatory and soothing for evening relaxation. Quinoa Veggie Bowl. Mix cooked quinoa with roasted broccoli, chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, and a lemon tahini dressing. Packed with zinc, fiber, and vitamin C, ideal for a hearty lunch. Prep in batches for busy weeks. Experiment with spices like turmeric or garlic, and share your creations with friends. Your taste buds and immune system will thrive. Signs your immunity needs attention. Watch for these red flags signaling your immunity needs a boost. Frequent colds, more than 2 to 3 times a year, slow wound healing after a scrape, persistent fatigue even after rest, or digestive issues like bloating. A 2023 immune diagnostics study found 25% of young adults ignore these signs, risking long-term health issues like autoimmune disorders or chronic fatigue syndrome. If these persist for weeks, consult a doctor. Early intervention with blood tests or dietary adjustments can prevent escalation. Listen to your body. It's your first health alarm. Long-term benefits of a strong immune system. Investing in your immunity is a lifelong gift. Within weeks, expect fewer colds, more energy for workouts, late-night study sessions, or family outings, and a brighter mood to tackle challenges. Months in, reduced inflammation lowers chronic disease risk by 15% per a 2022 Chronic Disease Journal, protecting your heart and joints. Long-term, a robust immune system supports cardiovascular health, mental clarity for decision-making, and longevity, vital for a thriving 2030s and beyond. Track progress with a symptom log or fitness app like Fitbit, noting energy levels, sleep quality, and illness frequency. Share insights with a friend or healthcare provider to refine your approach, and celebrate milestones like a month without illness or a personal best in your fitness routine. Inspiring stories to motivate you. Real-life success can ignite your journey. Take Sarah, a 28-year-old graphic designer who struggled with constant colds until she adopted a 7-hour sleep schedule, added a daily walk, and swapped soda for green tea. Within 2 months, she reported 0 sick days and a 20% productivity boost. Or consider Jake, a 22-year-old student who integrated turmeric milk and 15-minute meditations into his routine, reducing stress-induced flare-ups and earning better grades. These stories show that small, consistent changes yield big results. Your story could be next. Bringing it all together. Thrive in 2025. Your immune system is your ticket to a vibrant, unstoppable 2025. From nutrient-packed foods to mindful habits, this guide equips you to fight off threats, seize opportunities, and live with vitality. Start small, add a smoothie, a walk, or a breathing break, and build a fortress of health step by step. Share your favorite tip or success story in the comments. Connect with others on this wellness journey, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing content. Thank you for joining me on this empowering ride. Here's to a stronger, healthier, and more radiant you in 2025 and beyond.